Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Today guys, I will show you how to make a DIY paper butterfly, and I will show you how I made this one, and please keep watching until the end of my video.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. On we'll go, finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest, echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
So I'm almost done with my DIY paper butterfly. So there you go. So hope you guys should like it, and if you're first time here to my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share, and ring also the notification bell, so just keep the post updated every time I post my new video. Thank you guys, and see you guys next time. Bye everyone.